guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video is an organizing video. I'm going to be going through and organizing all of my shoes. I will be doing the rest of my house as well, but I'm going to start with my shoes and get all of those organized. Keep the ones that I still love, get rid of the ones that maybe I haven't worn or I'm just not in love with anymore. Today's video also has a sponsor, but we will get more into that in just a little bit. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, then thank you so much for being here. I hope that you stick around. There's lots of videos to watch. Maybe even hit that subscribe button. If you've been here for a while, hi guys. Thank you all so much for being here, and let's get right on into the video. Welcome to my closet. So I have put this portion of the video off for as long as I possibly can. So today I am going to pull all of my shoes out, get rid of any of them that I haven't worn in the past year, any that I know that I'm not going to ever wear again, any shoes like that. I'm going to donate or get rid of them or give them to somebody else. I'm going to keep, obviously, the ones that I absolutely love and that I know I'm going to wear. I'm going to pull all the shoes out, organize everything, put it all back in there nice and neatly. I'm going to add any new shoes that I've gotten recently. Speaking of new shoes, today's video is sponsored. So while I pull everything out of the closet, I'm going to send you guys over to the sponsored part of today's video, and then I'll see you guys in just a few. Today's video is sponsored by 709. It was founded in 2018 by two female friends with the goal of providing modern ladies with the most comfortable and beautiful heels possible. And as I unbox these shoes, you will see that they are extremely beautiful shoes. So each box you get a little envelope with details about your shoes. And then you get these beautiful luxurious bags, and I'm here to tell you that this bag feels so nice. It's so soft and so beautiful. I really don't even know if I want to keep my shoes in it, but I will keep it for something else. I think I'm gonna put the shoe accessories in it. Speaking of accessories, they have created a number of detachable accessories such as buckles, laces, back clips, and ankle chains. This is their satin bow back clip, and you can put it on the back of your shoe or on the front of your shoe or the side of your shoe, wherever you want. They are extremely well made, and I just think that it adds something extra to the shoe. I think these bows are super cute, and I can add them onto many different pairs of my shoes as well, so it doesn't have to be just these shoes. And so I really like that I can add something extra to many different pairs of shoes. Next, we are going to look at the shoes themselves. And I got these beautiful white shoes. I think they're a yogurt color. And I have already worn them, and they are so super comfortable that I forgot that I was even wearing heels that day. That's how comfortable the inside of these shoes are. And then they have a beautiful design on the bottom of them. And at first I was really afraid that I would ruin the bottom of them, but I got over it fairly quickly because these shoes are so comfortable. I will be wearing them again. Moving on to the second pair of heels I got. These shoes took forever to get to my house, and it's not by fault of the company, but of the postal service. But they finally got here, and they include an envelope with extra details about your shoes. And both boxes had one of those sizing charts on it. This bag is a little different than the previous bag. It doesn't have the design on the front of it, and it is a beige bag, but it is just as luxurious feeling. It's soft and smooth. These also came with extra heel tips or taps, whatever you want to call them. And I think I got these in a oatmeal cocoa color. They feel like suede is what they feel like. I haven't worn these yet. I did try them on and walked around my house in them, and they did feel very comfortable, but I haven't worn them out and about, so but I will be finding a reason to wear these. Has the same beautiful detailing on the bottom. Moving on to the last pair that I got from 709 are a pair of boots and a second shoe accessory. These are the doubled layer pearl bow chain, and they come in this cute little case to keep them in. I really do love these. These were one of my favorites. And then this box contained a sizing shoe chart as well. And then another beautiful bag. This one is a bit larger than the other two. I wish that I could really show you guys how soft this bag is. And then an envelope with additional details about your shoes. I have also worn the boots, and I absolutely love them. These are one of my favorite pairs of boots that I own. And I also got this color boot because all my other boots, as you'll see in the video, are black or brown. So I think I own 2 tannish colored boots so far. And these were so comfortable. And I got a lot of comments on them, a lot of compliments about them, a lot of people asking me where I got them from. So they really stand out. And then I did wear the accessory around the boot as well. And then they also have that beautiful detailing on the bottom. I recommend you go check out their website. They have a wide variety of boots, heels, sandals, slingbacks. They even have wedding shoes. Thank you so much, 709, for sponsoring today's video. There will be a direct link in my description box. Let's get back to the video. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this time lapse of me organizing my shoes.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
So here's the after I've gone through everything and organized it. All of the short boots are down here. I have some tennis shoes right there. And then these shoes, they change depending on the weather, the time of year, the shoes that I've worn recently. And then my tall boots are up here. All of my heels are in my second wardrobe that is out in my garage. So we are going to head out there and organize those shoes. I will see you out there. Okay, so this is my outside wardrobe. It was an entertainment system, and when we purchased a new one, I kept this one to keep as a wardrobe closet so that I have somewhere to switch out my winter and summer clothes and stuff like that. And all of my heels are currently out here. On this side, I think I am going to get rid of these. I think last time I wore these, I wasn't happy with the way that they fit on my foot. I think it even like scrubbed the side of my foot and gave me a blister, so I will be getting rid of these. I think I'm also going to get rid of these because I haven't worn them, I want to say, in about 2 years. So I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to say these are okay. These are okay. These are okay. These are okay. I don't know. I might be getting rid of these too. I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to leave them there. These are some that are still new, and I do love these, so I'm going to say these are okay. I think all of these are okay. These are one of my favorite. And then I haven't worn these in a few months, but I'm going to keep them just a little bit longer. Let's look on the other side. Let's say all these are okay as well. Haven't worn these in a while either, but I am going to hang on to them just a little bit longer. And then I have some sandals in here that I still wear in the summertime, so I'm going to leave those in there. And now I just need to add in my new shoes. Is how it looks with the new shoes added. So I got rid of 2 and I added 2. And then I put all of the accessories in this bag along with one of the shoe measurement things that they sent to me. And then all the shoe accessories that I own, I just put them in here. And then I'm just going to put it up here. So I got rid of 9 pairs of shoes. Going to donate them and maybe throw away the 1 pair that is not even worth donating, which is in the very bottom. So I think I did pretty good. And I would say with that, I'm done. I love you all, and I will see you in my next one. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. All links to any of the products from the sponsored ad will be in my description box as always. Please make sure that you always go down there and check it out. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one.